See, recover all resonates with a powerful message of hope and restoration, suggesting that even in the face of loss, complete recovery is possible through faith and divine intervention. It speaks to the idea that God can restore what has been taken, heal what has been broken, and redeem even the most dire situations. Dear child of God, I would like you to agree with me in prayer. I pray that whatever that has been taken, lost, or held captive, whether financial, physical, or spiritual, you will recover all in the name of Jesus. We would love you to be part of our community. Subscribe to stay connected.